Hello everyone, let's talk a little bit about the apply for chapter 5. Again, what you're going to be doing is you're going to come back and you're going to create a new document, just new HTML. So let's go to file, you can go to new and you can create a new document this way as HTML. You can also go back to the quick start guide. So when you're back at this screen here, again, quick start, go back to HTML and that would set this up. So again, once you have this done, you want to go back and you want to save it as it indicates in step number 2. That will be called apply 5. Okay, so that's how we're going to start. Then you're going to go back and you're going to add in basically the content from the screenshot over on page 322 at the very bottom, figure 5-92. And you're going to make a collapsible panel from jQuery in here opposed to Spry. So what I did is I went back here, I typed in my heading here, I formatted it as a heading 2 just to make it a little bit bigger, hit my enter key, and then I went back and I inserted the accordion. And then where do you get the content for this? So basically refer to the picture, what you see on page 322 where you put the stuff in. So now my suggestion is, as you're putting the information in, I would not type it directly here into Dreamweaver. Again, Dreamweaver is not really a word processor. I would go back in the Word and type it up here. Again, notice if you have like a spelling error, you can go back and fix that before you copy and paste it in. So I would use a word processor when you bring that in to help you out, like with grammar and spelling. Again, I'm going to ask you to type this a little bit up opposed to getting it from a text file. There's not that much. But again, I would type it up within Word and copy and paste it in. So again, you're going to be erasing the basic placeholder text, the content 1, and putting in this text here. When you're done, you want to make sure that you have this set to be collapsible. And then, so how do I check this? Really, all I need to see is your preview. So when you make your video for me on this, just go back and do a real-time preview on Chrome. Again, it should open up with the first panel open by default. There's nothing we really can do on that. That's fine, but you should be able to close that. Again, we go to the second panel. Again, notice the color change on that. That's the default. We should be able to see the text here. Again, below the third panel, you should be able to see that. And then you have your name or Mia Perez underneath that. So that's really all I have to see. Just make sure that you have all the panels closed at some point so I can validate that, yeah, you can do that, that all the panels can close. So that's your video for apply in chapter 5.